What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be checking out Whitestone Dome's ultra thin glass screen protector for the Galaxy Flip 4. Now don't get this confused with the Gen film because this screen protector has a ultra thin layer of glass sandwiched with other flexible materials to maintain the properties of glass and give you that nice smooth touch. I had this screen protector on my Fold 4 and my Fold 3 and it was absolutely the best screen protector that I found for those phones. So I will be going over the full installation of the screen protector, then we're going to see how the screen protector feels. So you're going to want to stick around till the end of this video because I actually think that this is probably going to be the best screen protector out there for the Flip 4. So let's get started. Now before we begin, I will tell you that it's highly recommended that you take any screen protector that's on your phone off before you install the Whitestone Dome Silk. I have tried installing screen protectors over screen protectors before and it never ends up well. I end up getting creases and bubbles and that's just going to be a waste of your money. I did make a video telling you how to take off the original screen protector and I will be putting a link to that video in the video description. So here we get our one screen protector. We get a removal sticker just in case you want to take the screen protector off. Here we have our squeegee, our installation packet, and our guide tray. So the first thing we need to make sure we do is to thoroughly clean off the screen of our Flip 4. We're going to use the included alcohol wipe and drying cloth. Once it's clean, we'll dry it off with a cloth. And then we can use our dust stickers to remove any dust. Then once that's done, we're going to put together our tray. On the tray here, it does have a top signifier. That's where the phone is going to go with the camera towards the top here. We're going to take this little post piece and we're going to stick it in the slot right here. Press it in place just like that. Then we're going to take our phone, we're going to put it into the tray here, again, making sure that the phone's camera is at the top of the tray. Make sure you have your guide ready. Now we're going to take our screen protector, we're going to flip it over so you can see what this little sticker here says. This is the protector for the screen protector. We need to peel this off, but when you do it, you need to be very careful that you're only peeling off this protective film and not taking the whole screen protector with it, or you're going to have a lot of problems. So what I would probably recommend is hold it like this upside down and very carefully start to peel the protector off, making sure that the screen protector does not come with it. Once you've verified that the screen protector is not coming with it, you can turn it over and then peel it from the bottom, just like this. All right, so once that's done, you're going to take the little holes here. We're going to slide them in onto the posts at the top here, just like that. Making sure they're pushed all the way down. And then we're going to take the bottom here and slide these over the bottom posts. Now all we need to do is take our squeegee. We're going to put it at the very bottom of the tray here, making sure that it doesn't touch your phone yet. As you can see, it's just at the front of the phone, making sure the little guides are resting on each side of the guide. I would put my hand in front of the guide just to hold it so it doesn't move. Then we're going to press down and slide the squeegee all the way up to the top of the guide, all in one motion. Pressing down firmly. Once it gets to the top here, do not release the squeegee, but you can take your hand away from here and then take the top part off of these posts, just like that. And then just kind of make sure that the screen protector is all the way down. Okay, now we're going to look for bubbles. I do see a little bubble here, so we're just going to take our squeegee and kind of get that down. All right, no problems there. So now what we want to do is gently peel up the top portion of the screen protector, making sure that you don't take the screen protector with it. So just kind of peel back in the corner just a little bit to make sure that the screen protector is not coming up with it, and then just peel off the rest. So here at the bottom, it does look like we have our screen protector that did not stay down. So I'm going to take my squeegee, I'm going to flip the guide around, And I'm just going to squeegee down the bottom here. Everything looks pretty good. Now we'll take the phone out of the guide. And then we can squeegee down any other remaining little pieces that we might see. All right, so that looks like it came out pretty good. It covers the whole front of the phone. As you can see at the top there, there is no cutout for your camera. It covers the camera as well. I don't see any bubbles. I don't see any lines. Everything looks really nice. Now, as far as touch goes, super smooth, very nice. Feels just like glass. All right, so here we go. First fold after the installation. See how it goes. All right, moment of truth. Everything still looks pristine. Again, no bubbles, no creases, perfect installation. And as you can see, the screen protector has lined up perfectly with inside the phone as well. All right, so now let's test out the touch. Very nice. I'm barely touching the phone screen. Super smooth, very nice. Awesome. I love it. Looks amazing. All right, let's test out our fingerprints. So it does seem to pick up just very minimal smudges, but again, because it is so smooth, you could just easily wipe those away. And again, it's pristine. Just like I told you, I think that this is probably the best screen protector for your Flip 4. Let's close it and open it a couple more times. Turn off the screen here. Everything's still looking good. No creases, no bubbles. Let's take a selfie. We'll see how good the camera quality is still with the screen protector covering it. I think the quality is actually just as good as when there was no screen protector on there. So here are the pictures from the phone that I took. I actually think that the picture quality looks just as good as when there wasn't any screen protector on there. So no problems there. Again, touch really nice, and you're also not going to have any problems with any cases because the screen protector is within the boundaries of the phone. And just to show you what I mean, here I have a case by Rinky that I absolutely love. Clip that onto the phone here. And as you can see, there are absolutely no issues with this case because the case holds onto the edge of the phone and doesn't touch the screen. Now, of course, any case that you may use may vary because I can't guarantee it's going to work with every phone case, but as you can see, it does work with at least this phone's case. And again, this is by Rinky. And as far as the face recognition goes, I'll show you that that still works too. No problems there. I'll do it again one more time for you, just so you can see I'm not using the fingerprint sensor. And there you go. So, like I said before, everything seems to be working really well with this screen protector. Seems to do pretty good with the fingerprint rejection. Selfie pictures look just as good to me as they ever did before. Touch really nice on the phone. Everything's working perfectly fine with your face recognition, and it should be case friendly as well. So again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this screen protector up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.